No, I want to see if this flies.
Okay.
If not, it'll just be done, and then I don't have to worry about it anymore.
Look at this view.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
I see a blinky light on your...
It's gonna look so good to see that drone just disappear.
It's gonna be flying sideways. It's gonna be like...
Oh boy. Your banana propeller.
Let's see. Yeah, there's a banana propeller. Look at that sad-ass screwdriver.
What are you doing way over there?
I might have something. Why did you have to go on a hike?
You still see it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's right fucking here.
It's
right here. Right here. It's like right there. It couldn't be any more directly underneath us.
You went down too far. It looks muddy over there, doesn't it? Oh yeah, look where that.
Do you need
that
a rope?
looks way steeper than I thought it was. Man.
Where that downspout comes out.
Right here.
No.
Right here.
Right. Had to dump it over there, right?
Holy shit. Watch out for that fucking succulent. Yeah. It might kiss you or something.
Whatever the fuck it is. You see
it? It's right there.
Yep.
Alright. You got it. You got
There,
it.
throw it up. Fuck you.
Don't throw it up. Do not throw it up.
No, because that's the way it looks.
Watch out for those things are gonna fly away, those fucking propellers.
Do you want one of my propellers?
No, I mean, I think that's the way it is. I think the other one's
I don't know if it's supposed to look like that.
I think you should do that, Nick, because he's gonna fuck it up.
Who's littering? I'm not.
Are you safe to fly?
Oh, no. 100% within my license. I'm fine.
Probably shut it down. It's not gonna.
Hold on. Yeah, just wait a minute.
We've moved out from under the metal roof, and we still can't get GPS. Whoa!
There he goes.
It's flying. Okay. All right. And now there's all these tree branches. Okay, so we have to do some settings.
Just like its owner, it's too fucking high.
Yeah, that's not
Trees.
we're on top of a mountain.
Oh yeah! Oh, it thinks it's like 1,000,000 feet in the air.
Yeah. Right.
Oh shit!
Because we're
you're
like
right.
3,000 feet above sea level, I think.
Oh yeah, this motherfucker's confused as shit right now, dude. It has
But it should know the ground level are here, right? It's not gonna be sea level.
This is an Ohio drone. It doesn't know shit.
He's not cooperating with me. Get over here. Look at this. I have the stick full forward.
The wind is going that way, dude. That's why you're battling the.
That's gonna make it hard
on top
to
of my
do.
car.
Hold on, let me do this and I'll get it over here. Let me do that. All right.
Start on the trailer.
Now I can just be simple. I was flying it backwards. That's kind of a fucking thing. Alright, hold on. Stop it. We'll do this.
That's the last time I've ever seen this battery.
I reached my limit. I can't go any higher.
Hey, it's not saying it. Oh, there it is.
There it goes.
Oh my God!
Hold on.
He's fucking struggling. That was actually pretty quick. Oh, come on, little buddy. Now we pan up. You got it.
Look at the road.
Dude. Look at this. He's flowing. Get over here. Get down. No! No! Stop!
Oh, look at those big old
Come here,
fluffy. That's like
fucker.
a Homer Simpson clouds.
Cool. Get over here.
Oh, fuck off. What are you doing? Stop texting me.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
flying
we
a
got
drone
it.
here, motherfucker. Wow, that's going really fast in your eyes. It shouldn't be going that fast.
Yeah, it dropped like 30 degrees up
Yeah.
there.
Lose Chris.
There it is.
Alright guys, so we hiked to the top of Mount Mitchell. We rode most of the way up here, to be fair, and then came the last 300 yards by foot, and it's apparently
Is this the highest peak east
Yeah.
of the Mississippi?
highest peak east of the Mississippi River. Alright, I'm gonna go to the top here.
Actually, this might be one.
Looks like it, yeah, yeah.
No white. And I think white is easy. Otherwise, it's just on the other one. I turned the first one out, I see the tree falling over. I start hearing some creaking and crackling. I was like, oh shit.
Look up.
I'm really wrong, man. I was like, ooh. The other one is close behind. I think that's part of the 50% rock. That is probably also really running.
I see a clearing sort of over here.
Yeah, you're right. Oh. Well, no. No. I think that would
Probably
be it.
right here, yeah. Shit.
Are you game? Well, wow. Okay, what about that? I see a rock.
Oh,
easy
close to
rock
the bank over there? Yeah, let's do that.
Alright, this looks a little bit better.
Yeah, this looks better. This looks more manageable.
A little bit of a balancing. No, that's fine.
That's good, yeah. And we've got a stick there. You want me to try to steady this? Nice, thank you.
Wow. Oh, that's so cool.